Hey, what's up, YouTube? Custom PC Review here, and right in front of you have the Xigmatek Dark Knight. So this is the model S1283V, and it was about, I think about 35 bucks or so. So it wasn't terribly expensive, and you know, I've heard very good things about this cooler, and you know, here's a picture of the cooler, and it's pretty much just a really basic tower design with one, I believe, 120 millimeter fan mounted right in front, and you do have the option of mounting another one in the back for a push-pull configuration. So, I mean, pretty much on the front of the box, anti-vibration rubber design, high performance, U-type heat pipe, lightweight, high performance, easy in installation, highly efficient PWM fan on the side of the box. Kind of the exact same thing. You can take a look at it. It does have 4 LEDs, so while the fan's spinning, it would look really cool in cases with windows. And back we have the specifications. The only one I'm really worried about is the 120 millimeter fan right here. Also, if you are interested, the included fan claims to have 89.45 CFMs at maximum, with a 4.1 air pressure and maximum of 30.1 decibels, so it's not going to be too loud, and the fan does spin at 1000 to 2200 RPMs. So while I am opening the box, on the box up here it says it's only compatible with Intel socket 775, 1366, K8, wow, that's pretty old, and the socket AM2. However, I do believe that this CPU cooler supports the new Sandy Bridge socket 1155, as well as the 1156, as well as the newest Bulldozer socket AM3. So I'm going to try to figure out how to get this piece of tape to open with my trusty knife without completely destroying my hand in the process. It is a very sharp knife, people, so alright. See, this is what I call failure in box opening. Alright, so looks like I got it, and I'm gonna pull this out right here and see what we have inside the box. Alright, first thing we've got is a whole bunch of mounting hardware, and if I can get a zoom in, it's got pretty much everything that you'll need. It does have these rubber grommets right here, anti-vibration, like they said on the box, and that's pretty much it. So we're going to take a look at the CPU cooler itself, which should be wrapped in this nice. Ooh, I like this packing material. It's the nice closed cell foam, and it really protects the CPU cooler. So we're going to take a look at the fins right here. Ooh, and it's a very nice looking CPU cooler. It's I believe it's nickel plated. You know, there's a nickel finish on top, and look at that. It looks pretty good. It's not very large, but should do the job, especially if you've got, you know, one of those lower powered kind of CPUs and things like that. So it looks like you can only mount one fan on it, but we'll figure out later. And for you guys that want to look at the bottom, it is very nice, nicely finished, just like that. So look at that. Alright, I'm going to jam that back on so I don't get much dust in before I test this CPU cooler. And here you have the fan right here. It's 120 millimeters. It's got those 4 LEDs. And it's the Xigmatek brushless fan. Alright, so here's there's a CPU cooler again. And it looks like the fan probably just sits somewhere like right in front, just like that. So, alright, once I have it all installed and everything on my computer, I am going to test it out. I am going to give you some test specifications and things like that. So be sure to stay tuned for more.